Okay. Okay. So density. I apologize. I had to white out. My handwriting was terrible. My pen was exploding. So this is try number 2 on my worksheet. So we are doing density. Density is, of course, going to be our mass. What am I doing? Mass divided by volume. So if we know that it's mass divided by volume, if you would like, I teach this in my physics class, you can use the pyramid or the triangle if you'd like to. Density is mass divided by volume. You're more than welcome, but let's go ahead and do this. So we know, if we can do this in our dimensional analysis way, if we're looking for density, we know density in this case is going to be grams over centimeters cubed. So that means we take our 454 grams and we divide our 2270 centimeters cubed, and then that we do our work from there. So 454 divided by 220 or 70. That means we have a density of 0.2. So remember, there's 3, so it's 0.200 grams per centimeters cubed. This is what our density equals. So remember, we're doing our sig fig, so we have to do that. All right, given that, let's go with the block of wood. So a block of wood has density of, remember, if we're doing our D equals M over V, so that means M, because we're looking for our mass equals our G. So how do we get to our G? So we take our multiplication, because we're going to go 0.6 grams per centimeters cubed, or in this case centimeters cubed, and we multiply that by our 1.2 centimeters cubed. That means we can get rid of our centimeters. We're going to get to this, and we equal 0.6 times 1.2 equals 0.72 grams, or since we only have one sig fig in our first one, 0.7 grams. Makes sense? Let's do one more. And I'll let you guys do the chart on your own, because then you'll have to figure out which substance is which based on the grams per centimeter cubed. Alright, so a boulder, remember, D equals M over V. An 800 gram boulder has a density of this. So if we're looking for the density, we want to get, or if we're looking for the volume of the boulder, we are going to try to get to volume, which equals centimeters cubed. So we take our centimeters cubed, which is where we want to go, and we're going to take our mass, 800 grams, divided by 8 grams per centimeters cubed. And remember, when we divide, that means this is going to flip to the top. So 800 divided by 8, don't even need to do the math on that, and you get 100 centimeters cubed for our volume. Now, is it in the correct amount of sig figs? The answer is yes, because there's only one there, and one there. So that is correct. Now, if you need any help with this, please let me know. This is density. Now you have to do the rest of this one. We'll go over the density questions in class. Density is pretty easy. It's what you've been doing for the last few years, and then we'll have a lab on this later this week. All right.